Okay, I think, yeah, we're live on the YouTubes. Live on YouTube.
Get stopped out live out of this trade.
Oh, okay. It actually did the trend line. On the beach.
Alright. If we go up from here, I'm gonna be pissed off. We have such crazy bearish divergences. I mean, we could end up having crazy bearish divergences. I guess I gotta share my screen if I'm gonna be doing this, huh?
Yes.
There's this. There we go. The Lose Money King. So these are the. Oh man, I'm so tired already. These are the bearish divergences I'm talking about right now. Look at this. If we do not take this high, we had bearish here, and now we're just printing. But I don't know. This is looking pretty like this is a thick amount of longs opening up right here, and nobody's really contesting it as far as shorts go right now. So, the question is, do you put $20,000 on the line right now? Because also too on the 5-minute, you have your divergences showing up here. What is going on with that, Ocean? Hello, Ocean? What the hell? What was going on with the thing? So let's see here. Oh my God. I just realized that I've been recording this entire time on my OBS. Oh, if that ever happens to you, Max, in YouTube, they have that trimming feature to where you can just
Yeah, we
go.
trim it locally because I mean, if I upload too much, it is like an hour extra of uploading time.
Why don't you just upload it when you go to sleep?
I mean, I do that, but I cut it before I go to sleep and then I start the upload.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying is that um, it would require less PC work, I guess, on your end if you were to just cut it within YouTube. But I don't know,
I
whichever
mean,
one's
my PC is fast with that. I mean, I only need to cut it if I forgot to pause it, and
Oh,
it
okay.
happened basically all every day once.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm already good at cutting.
Yeah. Okay, well, um, a part of me wants to just listen to music, but I think last time I did that, it copyrighted my whole shit.
Yeah, my videos are all copyright claimed.
But
Yes. There, Michael. Like, look at the bearish divergence, man. It's so
It's crazy,
insane.
yeah.
yeah, this right here. But it's could be bearish divergences because this looks like it actually could be leading as well because of the fact that, again, on the 5-minute RSI, you came down to this point. Then actually, I'll just do it on the bigger thing. So you have this bearish divergences, but I think it's leading. But the thing, because I would compare just this little section right here. I wouldn't really compare anything over here because that to me is like too far away, because the problem is that in exo charts, once you start getting like further back in time, then you'll see that like everything is bearish and bullish divergences. Like everything is just, oh, everything's bearish, everything's bullish, you know. But I've found that more locally, the bearish and bullish divergences work out more often than not. But what's also weird is that on exo charts, if you have these sessions, or if you just have these if you have it on the volume chart, if you do the same exact thing on like the 1 minute time frame or the 2 minute time frame, the bullish and bearish divergences from the CVD are actually different sometimes. Like sometimes you'll have bullish or bearish divergences on the 5 million volume, but if you go to the time, you won't have anything. Or vice versa. Like sometimes you'll have it on the time, but you won't have it on the yeah, you won't have it on the you know what I'm saying. So sometimes you have to check both. But look at all these longs that open up here at the bottom. Like look at this. The last time you had this thick amount of longs opening was a while back. I guess it was right here, then we just came right back down. But at the low, this amount of longs opening, I don't know. But we're getting rejected by the New York, I gotta stop calling it the New York. I gotta call it the Igor Session 3 level point of control. Igor 3 session point of control. Anyways, so what I'm looking at is on the 5 minute RSI. You came down, took this low, then you put in a higher low on the RSI, and now you're starting to go up. So if we did something like this, is this really a no, there's no way. Let's see. So you see lower low, higher low into the weekly VWAP. And we also hit that major gap right here. I mean, we filled in this gap enough, in my opinion, to where it's like, if we're going to come up from now, this is it. It would be very weird, unless we're going to do a 3 drives pattern. Where's 3 drives? Where's 3 drives? Is 3 drives in here? Yeah. So I think 3 drives would be something like, this is 1, 2, 3, and then take off. Do something like that. Something like that could happen. But anyways, yeah, we are in no man's land right now for a while, because this gap is gigantic. And so let me see here. If we do this, so if you guys are watching on YouTube, your best bet if you want your questions answered is to go to the Discord and just post them in the question section, because I get a Discord sound alert if somebody's asking something. So that's the best way to get your question answered, because to be honest, I don't have the YouTube window open because I'm disappointed in my analytics, so I don't want to see it or I'll get pissed off at myself. But anyways, let's start with the morning routine here. Let's run through this. What the fuck is this? All right, daily routine. Let's do 8. What is this? Okay. So first thing first, we have identify and mark out the higher term time frame, lower term time frame, Fibonacci golden zones. So let's see here. Where do you pull the fib from? Do you pull it from this low or do you pull it from this low?
I guess the impulse, yeah. That one's better.
We're sitting at the 618. You can either pull it like this or like that. Either one, or I think this one works better. That's another reason why we could pump up here too. I just realized is that we're at the 618 inside of the 618 in the gap.
That was for me the reason. It's like the weekly point of control, our previous week's point of control, a little bit above us, so we could take that quickly, or slowly.
Yeah. Mm, um, shit. Do I put a fat stack on this? Oh, look at this. We have a 5-minute trend line. So I would say that until we kind of break this, we are going to continue on a downtrend because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on this.
Finally.
Do we put a fat stack on this is the question. We're still close enough at the low, are we? How far away from the low are we? 1% already. Oh god, that stop loss is too big. Yeah, we have another trend line on the 15-minute. Look at that. Look how sexy that is.
Wait.
Damn. So we have...
One sec. Oh yeah.
Damn, this trend line called each and every single one of these highs. It called this high, it called this high, it called this high, it called this high. So now if we get a pullback, it looks like we could get a pullback to this 44,900 region to get a tap on that. Either that or we start to come up from here and we damn it, I hate all these extra numbers on this thing. So we hit the 618. So we do this. No, that would be so ugly. Oh, I gotta hurry up and decide. Do it actually? No. What do you guys think? Is this the bottom or is this not the bottom?
We stopped many people out. It was an obvious stop loss. We hit at least an area. I mean, why not squeeze a little bit, even if we are in a downtrend?
Well, I'm saying, like, is this the point where we're gonna come all the way back up to maybe like the 618, like 45, 700-ish? Or do we come up to like 44, 8, whatever?
2.5.
What the fuck is that sound? Street sweepers. Unade, are you watching? So again, anybody that's watching on YouTube, if you have any questions, put them in the Discord. Junaid is asking, how can you tell if this is leading or bearish? This is on the 1 minute 20 tick. Yeah, this was like 2 hours ago. I don't like dealing with CVD divergences that are like 2, 3, 4 hours ago, because they all could, like, everything could be leading and everything could also be divergences. I like to deal with more local. I've never seen, I very rarely see like bigger term time frame divergences working out like that, unless you're on the unless you're on like the 1 hour chart or something like that, and it's like candles that are right next to each other. I would say that that's more important. Like the previous couple of candles is the best way to go about doing it. Whoopsies. So anyways, um where are the key higher term time frames? I mean, we're at it right now. Yeah. I mean, I don't think that there's anything more for this. A second. Uh, what do you guys think? Like, is it time to just buy a whole bunch right now?
Oh no. I mean, I mean, you mean for a trade. I mean, for hodl, I wouldn't buy, but for a scout, maybe. But I mean, I'm in the trade, but I took already a little bit of profit, so I don't know if you want to enter now.
I'm still looking for lower, to be honest.
In the end, definitely, yeah. I mean, we might get a squeeze up before that, but in the end, I see it also down.
Down
Like,
is in like 43,500 or down is in like 42,000?
42. Yeah, I
I
would say
mean,
42, yeah.
I would look, but yeah, I think that's just a slow idea. Like, you know, in terms of like, you know, maybe a day trade or like even a potential swing, yeah, like definitely 42, yeah, like 42 level, 42 160, like, or 200 around there. Yeah, let's say like, yeah, 42 100.
I mean, if we come there, we might get momentum and just dump down to 41K. Could get funny. But yeah, 43, 300-ish should hold for a day trade or maybe a scalp.
What do you have on 43 300?
I mean, a little bit lower. I mean, there are a few levels I would look for, but I guess what is it, the 886 or something? Where's my feed? Yeah, the 886 or the 83 maybe.
Can we bounce up to like 45 first, man? Like,
Would be great.
seriously, like, this is so fucking, like, frustrating.
So this person, Chris... Sorry, the whole time I was talking to my friend. So this person, Chris, is saying... Absorption, big hand sell, aggregate, whatever. No divergence. What? I don't understand what any of this means. This is not how you don't draw divergences from the lows on price and then the highs on CVD. I don't understand what any of this means. Sorry. I do apologize.
So mean. Why are you so mean? Mean. Oh, the shorts just shorted the lows, man.
So this person
Thanks
says,
for
what
that.
about going down to grab the liquidity from 43,800 daily, weekly open plus order block when we went up to 44,800 after that down to 42? I mean, this is the problem is like anything can happen. Like this definitely seems plausible. That's wait, where is the liquidity at 43,820? There's no liquidity.
43,820 is a new daily.
Oh, down here. Is there a daily? I didn't even mark it. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I mean, that is in line with this like golden zone idea. Then you could that also in lines up with like a 3 drives pattern idea as well. It's just more of a question of like, is this an area where you put a fat trade, or is this an area where you do like a scalp idea? Because the technicals are saying you could put a fat position on this, but the market structure is like, I want to go lower. And so that's where I'm just kind of like, ugh.
And it's like,
It's like, do we place another limit order right here? Because how easy would it be for just people to start getting stopped out more and more and more, and then just like have this massive waterfall effect where we just come down and take all this shit. Like even
which
right now,
we
we're
just
still
did.
down hard.
Yeah.
Do you see? Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this too. Like, so this is exactly what. Fuck, if I would have saw this, I would have put more money onto my short. So I want to show you guys this. When it's local like this, oh wait, actually this isn't local. Well,
yeah,
this
I
is
saw
local.
the sign.
Between this high right here and this high right here, there is no higher high. But you can just tell by looking at the CVD, even though this is almost like pretty much even as far as the highs go, there's a lot of people buying, and price is not really moving that much. So you don't necessarily have CVD divergences between this high and this high, but if you zoom in even more, you will see that you do have CVD divergence between this high and this high. So it's like when you see that mixed in with this, because this divergence is only like an hour. This is only like 45 minutes. So when you're comparing like the local highs, that's the type of divergence that I'm looking at, or even maybe something like this. That's why I'm saying like this high to this high, I
Yeah.
just I just couldn't see a world in where
Yep.
that actually
Yep.
works out. But the fact that, in my opinion, the fact that there's this many buyers right now, like we probably came down to the 786 if you pulled a fib from here to here. The fact that there's that many buyers kind of is giving me a signal, an idea that this is an area that people are actually looking to buy at. So if we do come down and take this low one more time, it's like, that does look like it could possibly be like a really, really, really sexy, like fat position size long. And that's why I'm kind of like, oh, I don't know what to do. Because then you also have divergences on the 5 minute, you have divergences on the 15 minute. Wow. Let's see if we can see something here too. So yeah, so you even see it on the tick chart, like you have these divergences showing up here. I'm not seeing any bullish divergences at the lows on the tick chart. That's kind of what I really want to see. Wow, we've got bought back real quick.
Boss alert.
Hmm. Anyways, so I thought I was actually going to do this morning routine, but we're at like a really critical level, so I'm just kind of like stuck here right now. The buys are coming in pretty strong. Well, actually, this is shorts. I think these are just the people that just shorted getting stopped out right here. These
Yeah.
people right here, I think they all just got stopped out because nobody longed that shit. Hmm. Price is still going up. I guess my opinion would boil down to this. If you didn't get in here or here, then right now it's possibly a bad idea for a long position. Or you could look at it like this. We have a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high now. So it's like we broke the market structure on the 5 minute. So but right now it's too late to get into a long because your stop loss would have to be too big. I think. Max, where's your entry?
44,100.
Wait, what is it? 44,100 is your entry?
44,100, yeah.
I mean, I have like a gamete size trade at 44,130.
Nice. Yeah, let's see. I mean, if it plays out, it's enough to make nice profits. And if it doesn't, then I mean, just a little bit more loss.
Yeah. I'm just so like, look at this 5-minute RSI, man. It's literally just going sideways. And then you have the 15-minute. You have the 30-minute. You do have divergences on the 30-minute, I think. Yeah, you have divergences.
Max, did you take a long? Or are
Yep.
you still waiting?
I mean, I did, but let's see if it survives.
Oh, look at this. This trend line. So you have the
I'm
30-minute
waiting
trend
to take a
line,
low.
15-minute trend line, and the 5-minute trend line. I think I would say, since we put in divergences on the 30-minute chart, I would say that if you break this trend line, then it's going to be a correction of the entire leg. So I think that if we break the 30-minute trend line, it's going to be this. Oh God, this is so ugly. So look at, oh God, that's just so ugly.
It's not
Which
picture
trend line?
perfect.
Well, okay,
Can you repeat?
it would be this. It would be this. The 30-minute trend line. If we take it, it'll be the completion of this, the pattern that I was talking about yesterday. So like, if we break the 30-minute trend line, to me the D is in, and
Oh.
then we're either going up to like 46,000 or we're going higher than that, because this trend line, I mean, look at how sexy it is. And usually when you break these trend lines and you have divergences at the lows, you know, and you filled in enough of these single prints, and you came through and you hit this gap in the low, I mean, there's just so many reasons for this to be an actual low, right? And then you're also running into the 618, you filled in the inefficiencies and all this other madness. And usually when you break trend lines, I'm 99% sure once you break this trend line. In fact, I'm going to put an alert on this. What is this? Play a sound. What is this one? Show me a high. Show me a new high. I show you a buy. That's what MM Crypto, the great philosopher, MM Crypto. MM Crypto.
As you said, Max, show me a high and I show you a sell.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. We've got the alert set. Anyways, I need to clean all this shit up. So, oh man. I think in order to satisfy my desire to trade this, I'm just gonna have to get into like at least a somewhat decent sized position.
Where?
Like right now.
A buy?
Yeah. Because it could, but then I'd have my stop loss. Like I would want to do something like this.
Whoa.
Like this, like I have a 0.95% stop loss, just because if I got in now, I would cover a possible swing failure of this low, and so that would be on one account, and then on another account, I would have like a limit order waiting right here with a tighter stop loss, because I'm playing it as if like we're not going to come down and take these lows right here. But I don't know if this is a good idea. But if I'd rather take it and get stopped out than not take it and then regret like all of the signs and the reasons to actually have taken it. You know?
I agree. Like, go with it. If it's you're not confident and don't use a big size. I mean, just calculate their position size accordingly.
Yeah, I've got
but
that
just
right here. So how much should I risk? $5, $300, or $1,000? Which one?
No, for 300.
How much?
300.
$300.
Let's see. I mean, you only have 3 options.
I would take $100.
Yeah, 100 if you have that option as well.
I'm not gonna risk 100. I don't trust in this at all.
But $5 is like, yeah, you didn't even take the trade.
It's like more. I don't know what to do. I'm bored. Let's take a trade.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. Yeah, I'm gonna use ovum size trade.
Gamete.
Sperm size trade. Let's see.
We need to stop like really freaking people out.
You said what?
We need to stop like freaking people out.
I don't give a damn about people. If they don't like it, they can leave the Discord and give me a bad review on Yelp. Like, they can
This
give
guy
me
talk about ovum all the time. I think it's really inappropriate. I think, he sucks. He's the worst YouTuber. Get the fuck
Exactly.
out.
Hey, I can maybe have a smaller stop loss. But I'm taking so long that I'm probably gonna miss the fucking trade.
No, it's dropping. You probably will get a really good entry.
Yeah.
I think I might have missed it.
Even get an entry better than Max.
I missed it.
You should mark.
Man, I missed it. Oh wait, is it coming back? I'm gonna have a 0.85% stop loss. Is that gonna be good enough? I think so.
Depending on what you're aiming for.
There we go. Well, I'm in. I have to record this. Well, I'm in. I think it's somewhere like right around here for you guys. I'm recording another screen. I'm gonna have my stop loss at 85%. I think I need to get on another account and no, actually, if we swing failure the low, I think maybe I'll just add on to this position.
Yeah, that's my plan too. Take the lows, smack into the daily, and then pop back up.
Yeah, because I think I'm on the USDT. Oh, actually, I need to pay attention to this. This is 40. See, Max, we came on to do some. Now we're getting back to the old school Neo where I'd actually live trade and shit. Is this? Are you happy now that I'm doing more live trading than Daniel's? Are you happy?
I guess.
I guess.
Are you adding more to your position right now, or you waiting?
Yeah, I'm going from gamete to eukaryote. I forgot what all that shit even means.
Oh shit.
I want to use the correct
Can we
terminology. I think
speak English?
eukaryote is smaller than a gamete.
Can we speak English, please?
This is English.
No, it's gibberish.
Come
Did you
on,
know that
run these lows.
the Greek zugotos means joined from zugaun means to join, which is where zygote comes from. Oh.
Good to know.
What is this called? Yeah, if you guys are on YouTube, join us over in the Discord. You can ask your questions there, and then the people that are talking are in the trade and chill section. This was supposed to just be me doing technical analysis, but we're at a crucial point. I have absolutely no idea how many people are watching on YouTube. There's literally probably like 2 people. I have no idea. I don't have the numbers up. Thanks to Max's suggestion. It saves my mental not looking at those numbers. Let's see, where is this low at? So we got these levels. Okay, we got this daily here.
Are the
Alright, we
longs
should at least do
closing on
this. Hmm?
this icon? My XO, it's like super lag behind right now. So
Yeah.
can someone tell me like we are like going to take the lows again? Like, is this like longs closing out or more shorts coming in?
This is
More longs closing out, I would say.
Also,
Okay.
tiny shorts opening.
It's a mixture
Nothing
between
massive.
both. Like we had these longs open. Oh man, that's a lot of longs. If they have their stops right here, this could actually be a pretty serious, a more serious swing failure pattern. That's a lot of longs.
Yeah.
I wonder if I should put my limit order even lower. But the thing is that we have a naked point of control. Right? I need to start marking out some of these 4-hour naked point of controls. Do we have any 30-minute point of controls down there? know
No, a
Max.
little bit higher. There was one that
Do you
was
do-
enough for a small bounce.
You do 30-minute
a
and 4-hour naked point of controls, or do you do 31 and 4?
34 daily.
34. So
I
let's
think
run.
there's a 4 or a 53,500 and 30. Like, wait, 43,538. It's the 4-hour naked.
Yeah, only 30 minutes I'm seeing is just down here once you take these lows right here. That's all I'm seeing for the 4-hour or 30-minute, like these two. This and this, which would make sense. Then for the 4-hour, I'm seeing, oh, we have this one, and then there's one right here too, depending upon what tick size you use. Yeah, those two. So I mean, basically the 4-hour point of control would be like 43,500, 43,400. Then this one is like 43,200, and then there's one at like 43,000. It depends on what tick size you're using though, because they keep moving up and down. $43,500. I guess. Let's see.
The Bulls are defending that low.
We might actually get some sideways action here. But I don't know, man. I just trust in this RSI trend line right here. We are.
Are we breaking the trend line though?
No, the only problem is that we have, obviously, on the RSI, you can come down to like all the way to the 20. So we came down to the 25. We can clearly keep coming down more and more. And also, too, we do have this trend line that's forming here. if we take this low like this, and we do this like this. Actually, no, I take that back. That's not a trend line. No trend lines. There's no trend lines, actually. Uh-oh. Well. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, in my opinion, until we break this 30-minute trend line, we are not going to go higher. But the thing about the 30-minute RSI is that if we do come down, this thing could just absolutely fly all the way down. So if I'm looking at the 30-minute RSI, we could come down like this, come back up, come down, come back up, come down. With the price action, come down to this area where those naked point of controls are. That would probably put us really low on the 30-minute. Then we could start to see something like this. Then as soon as we break the market structure on the 30-minute, that's probably when we'll touch this RSI trend line. And then that's when it's like going to take off to come back up to reset. Because usually when you break these trend lines that have like really, really sexy till the dollar touches, they're usually pretty well respected. So yeah. Anyways, I already have my long ideas right now, so I guess I might as well just go through that. What is this thing called? The routine. So we have this routine. If anybody, again, I don't know how many people is watching on YouTube or whatever, but if you're in the Discord, this morning routine is posted up by the one, the only Max, and it is under cheat sheets. Cheat sheets right here.
Cheat sheets, yeah.
And you guys can check that out. Some people were asking, where do I get it? It's in here. Who has access to it? So. Oh my God, I'm still recording. Fuck this. Oh my God. My OBS recording that I'm going to upload to YouTube is going to be like way too long. So here, let's just start working this shit. You know what? I know how to listen to music while also allowing people to hear you guys. Just a second, let me switch this up. I have to change something really quick. Just 1 second. Recording playback. Speaker. Sorry guys, I gotta do this so I can listen to some music or else I'm gonna go insane. Okay. So let me do that. Oh fuck, wait, actually, wait a minute. Actually, how many... We're gonna get to the thing in just a second. What the fuck? There's actually 21 people watching right now? I was not expecting that. There's 24 people? Wow. That's a lot of people. Let me do this. I'll just do it the old school way. I'll put on 2 different headphones. And it'll work out. Fuck, man. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to set this up so I can listen to some music and also hear everybody at the same time. Uh-oh. Am I gonna get filled? Cannot connect. Try again. God damn it. I'm almost filled on my other scalp idea. This is not going to go well at all. I can already tell. But if we continue to come down, we'll have like CBD weakness and more weakness and even more weakness. So, all right, so this is connected. All right, I promise, guys, I'm setting this up. So we have this. We have this. No. All right. Okay, so which headphones do I have? So this, I got a second limit order just filled right here. Oh, what's my entry? My average entry is moved. My stop loss is 0.5. I have no idea how much money I'm even risking right now, so I don't know. So that was, what the hell was that? Longs didn't get stopped out. That's scary. Since a bunch of longs didn't just get stopped out, that's really scary, because then that means that there's more downside to go to where we could get a waterfall. Unless these longs right here were the ones that actually got stopped out. But anyways, I'll go over to the USDT chart and show you guys what it is. But there's this. I'm recording on my other screen. So we have CVD weakness, CVD weakness, weakness. No longs were closed out there. That's a little bit scary. We could possibly come down some more. Anyways, I gotta finish doing this. So, damn. I wonder what the since I'm on a VPN, I don't know how shitty my connection is on the live stream. So I'll watch it for a second or two. All right. So this is those headphones. So I need this. Say something. Somebody in the Discord chat, say something. Fuck. I'm trying to change up these audio things. Wait, what? Okay. Say something again.
Hello?
All right. Okay, there we go. So people can hear you on YouTube, but they can't hear my desktop audio. All right, that's good. That's the way I want it set up. Somebody in the chat says, "Where are we headed?"
Babies.
We're headed to the moon. Actually, we're gonna come down from now. The order book. Oh yeah, so I have to switch over to the USDT pair and show you guys the entry. This is not a good idea. I do not believe in this. I'm just in it because I would be pissed off if we started to go up from here. So the entry is 44023.1. I don't know where the stop loss is going to be. Stop loss is 43765.5. Is this actually going to work out? I don't know. 43765. 4, 3, 7. It's like this. I think the equivalent is like this on the USDP pair. So let's see.
Oh, BNB, like,
I can give myself a little bit of a fatter stop loss. Oh, yeah. So... Oh man, this is so much better with music.
sad.
So we could have the 3 drives, like, so this is the start. You come up, 1, 2... Alright, this is the 1, 2, 3, and take off. That's what I need. But the fact that we're not seeing a bunch of buy orders coming in right now is very, very scary, so I'm probably going to get stopped out of this thing. Should have shorted right here, I guess. Oh, yeah, fuck, this is not good. We're breaking the trend line right here on the 5-minute on the bottom, so yeah, this is,
That does not look convincing to me.
This is not, yeah, there's not a massive amount of buys coming in. This is going to come back
A
down.
bit, but not enough to change market structure as it stands.
Oh, we have some questions here. If you guys are watching on YouTube, go into the Discord and ask questions inside of the question section. Yeah, I don't know, okay. So I just closed out all the YouTube shit. The reaction kind of looks weak, right? Yes. Anyways, alright, I'm done worrying. I have the idea. It's either going to work out or it's not going to work out. I'd rather get stopped out and take the risk than not, so. I already know I'm going to get stopped out, though, because this is looking ugly as fuck. Alright, so let's actually do some TA here. So the morning routine is higher term time frame levels, lower term time frame fibs. The higher term fib would be this one. Yeah, you'd have this area down here at like 40K. Yeah, so we don't even have to worry about that. The lower term time frame fib, we're at that level right now. Daily opens and all this other shit. Okay, yeah, let's look at that stuff. Actually, wait a minute. Come on, man. So, yeah. So we have the option of this happening right now, or we have the option of this. These are the two levels the two major levels that we're looking at. So then we have the daily opens and all that stuff. Let's see. Previous day levels. All right. So that 80% setup didn't happen. We don't have any more naked point of controls.
It happened partially. Only to previous day point of control.
It front run almost hit it.
I got stopped. It reversed on the 618. The reverse 618.
Previous day levels. We have to look at regular. Oh, we hit that daily to the doll hair. Wow.
Also
That's
weekly,
what I told you.
and it's also weekly.
Weekly open.
Wow, we hit that to the doll hair. Okay.
I got filled to the dollar pretty much.
Are you guys still in the trade?
Yeah.
Yep.
So as far as the levels go, we hit that daily to the dollar. Order blocks. Weekly, monthly, yearly levels, all that fun stuff. So let's see. Alright, not seeing anything for the week. For the month, yeah, whatever. Point of controls, previous day, weekly point of controls, monthly point of controls, all that shit. Yeah, I don't know what the weekly is looking like. Previous week point of control, let's see.
Yeah, we are grinding against that and rejecting from that.
Let's see for the weekly. The weekly open is right here. Weekly point of control is way the fuck up here. I wonder if there's like an 80% setup for the week where it's like you have the weekly open, then you have the weekly value, the previous week value area high is coming in here, 43.27. I wonder if that means anything.
Yeah, I don't know if the 80% setup works also on the weekly time frame.
Let's go, man. The trend line. Let's go, please. What else is there? So we have to the downside as far as support goes with those levels. All we have is the previous week value area high coming in at 43.255. Other than that, that's it. What else would there be? Yeah, and then the weekly value area low is way too high, so that's all we have. 4-hour point of control there. So this, I guess this is the last level of defense as far as any type of support goes, which is the daily level. After that, it's like, it looks like we'd have to come all the way down. It looks like it wants to, though, because it's just so weak. The buyback is just non-existent. What else is there? Value areas, high volume nodes. Let's see. If we were to say this whole thing was a range, where are we at? The value area high was right here. Point of control is right here. We're at the value area low if this whole thing is a range. Oh, okay, what else is there? Naked point of controls, high volume nodes. Check liquidity, mark out all 1 minute lows and high minute. Nah, I'm not about to do that on the stream. That's boring. I will move all of this shit though. I think I need to mark out at least some highs, like at least significant highs right now. What are we looking at for highs as far as the 1 minute goes? Wow, having this trading routine thing makes me feel like I'm actually accomplishing something. I'll say like this. I'd say that these are just the most significant. Those are the highs. Mark out swings, all that shit. Okay. Check averages, the VWAPs, and the EMAs. So let's see what the VWAPs and EMAs. We don't have any VWAPs. We don't have any... None of that shit. Oh, yeah, we need to do the pivots. So the daily pivot... Our VWAPs are nowhere to be found. Let's see. So we have the weekly pivot. Weekly pivot coming in at 42,150.
New Crest Advanced Gum Restore helps reverse gingivitis and early gum disease for healthy-looking, beautiful smiles for life. Introducing LCBO Summer Hot List, a list of refreshing ways to help make this summer in Ontario one to remember. Like hot list idea number 7, why not give every weekend a cottage feel? Now you can bring the cottage home.
43. I'm guessing Junaid saw 43,821 as the daily or something like that. So what is this pivot? Let's just run through the pivots. So this is the weekly pivot. We almost hit the R1. Daily. S3 is coming in at basically the point of control, so that's pretty interesting. Monthly pivot. Wow. Alright, so we hit the R1. Monthly pivots down here. We already hit that. Wow, we use that as a support, so... Pivots can't really help us out right now. I think the weekly... Daily... The S3 is coming in there. That. So, okay. EMAs. Where are we at? So we had a bearish cross on the 15 over here. That's not good. We got supported by the bottom of the Bollinger Band. 30-minute. We're not outside of it yet. 1 hour. 1 hour, the 200. It's right here. I don't know. I don't really like... What do you guys feel about EMAs? I don't really like EMAs because you just can keep searching and searching and searching on time frames in order to like support your idea. Like, oh look, the 200 or the, you know, the fucking whatever. Let's see. Wow, we almost have a bullish cross. The 200 is way down here, so the 20 is way down there. There's nothing that we can do with that. The 4 hour, we are way outside of the Bollinger Band on the 4 hour. Holy shit. Let's go, man. The buy's coming in. So yeah, none of the EMAs really help except this 1 hour is being held up by the exact, like almost $1 for this 200. It would be nice if we came back up. That would be really, really nice. I'd like that. I want to set an alert on this bad boy too. And then I want to set an alert on this. So we're being rejected by the 20. We haven't, on the 5 minute, we haven't touched the 55 in a long time. So that would be nice if we could do that. Fuck. We're coming into the US Igor session 3. Igor session 3 point of control. Which is also the daily point of control so far. So if we can get above that, that would be really nice. What else is there? Who else is jumping in here? Wow, this is a lot of people in the trade and chill section. It's just me and you, Max, with our mics on. Can you hear me still?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and anybody else, like, feel free to post up any of your ideas or any of that shit. We're actually starting to take some highs, which is good. I'm in profit now a little bit, so where is the first take profit going to be? You see we took these two highs. If we take this third high, that might actually be pretty nice. The only issue is that here, on the 5 minute, we've been held down from this area here, here, and here, maybe. And same thing with the 3 minute here. All of this area is acting as a resistance, so we need to just keep breaking up above that. It would be nice. If we hit that daily and then come back up, man, that would be insane.
Why do you want to hit the daily again?
Yeah, again, if there's somehow people still watching on YouTube, if you have any questions, you can join us in the trade and chill section for the live stuff, or you can just post them in the question section over here. Hey, I like that sound. Now the only problem is that we have a gap in the highs now. So there's going to be no more short fuel to take until we get to this high. So this is going to be the determining factor, but what's also really scary about that is this, that we're pretty high up on the 30-second RSI. We haven't been this high in a long time, since basically like 4 hours ago. So if we start to come all the way up here, then maybe the low is actually in, but we'll see. We just hit that high. If people want to start buying now, that would be good. What else is there on this list? So we checked the EMAs. New channels. All right. New channels. A new channel. Let's see. There we go. We're in a channel right now. I'd say that would be the channel that we're in if there was one. What's this? Let's see. Is this? Oh. So we're in a channel within a channel. So I like this channel a lot better. Let's see. I gotta start posting up these ideas. I like that.
I mean, a nice long.
I like this channel. Fuck, we're coming back down. Let's see. All right, so we have channels, trend lines. I feel like trend lines and channels are basically the same thing, right? Oh yeah, as I'm mentioning these like, do we have channels? Do we have trend lines? If you guys are doing your own technical analysis, you guys can look and post up your ideas if you see any channels. Because, yeah, I just want to be able to share the information, and we'll all just, like, kind of run through these ideas together. Like, trying to find trend lines, trying to find channels. Trend lines. Do I see anything? I mean, this could be something here. That could be something. I hope this works out. That would be nice. Trend lines. Is there anything else? I don't really like trend lines that. What do you guys think about it? I don't really like trend lines that much because, like, when do you leave out the wicks? When do you leave the wicks? I don't know. We could be doing this though. This like falling wedge thing. So that would be nice to come back up to here. That actually could work out because then if we did this, if we had a straight up recovery, come up, boom, come back down, hit that point of control, S3, whatever the fuck, and then just take off like that. That would be pretty nice. What else is there? Has anybody seen any trend lines? Like I said, just post up your ideas in any of the Bitcoin charts or any of that other stuff if you guys see any ideas. Let's see. Fuck, that's not what I want to hear. Nah. What about this? Nah, I'm not seeing anything. Fuck, we're coming back down. We took that high. Maybe that was the time to short. That was probably the time to short right there. That's it on that. So trend lines, channels, new patterns. When you said patterns, oh, Max, when you're saying patterns, you're talking about like flags or any of that other stuff, right?
Oh no, I don't care about that stuff. I mean more Wyckoff and Elliott wave.
Oh, okay. Any new harmonics? I think we already gone over the Gartley or whatever the hell harmonic that is. What is this harmonic? Whatever this harmonic is. So we either have that happening or we have this happening. Either one. Right now it's looking like it wants to come down to the 42K. New fib speed fans. Nah, not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything on the speed fans. Pitchforks. What? No way. What is this? There's no way. Oh my god, this thing called like the fucking high right here. What is this on? Original? No. Shift. Wow, that's crazy. Pitchforks. Let's see. Pitchforks. Wow, that's actually pretty sexy. Wow, that one called this top right here. And then look at how well respected this. Oh, come on. That would have been a perfect pitchfork. Jesus Christ. It called the top here. It called the top right here. It called the bottom right here. It called the top right here. This pitchfork was insane. Holy Jesus. Wow, 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 wow. Called the bottom here, called the top here, called the top here, called the bottom here. It basically called the top here. That's crazy. And it called the bottom right here too. That pitchfork is sexy. Hmm. Hmm. I'm not really seeing any pitchforks that would be able to be pulled except something like this. Fuck, why are these people selling? This is all I'm really seeing that we could do.
People loves to short support.
Well, people are closing out of their longs. 'Cause we got rejected by the US point of control, daily point of control. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything with pitchforks really. New range updates. Let's see. Now we already went over the range. Hmm. That would be nice to get a bounce from here, because then this midpoint of the channel would be held. That would be nice. Order blocks. Do you do daily, 4 hour, hourly, and 30-minute order blocks, or what type of order blocks do you do, Max, if you do any order blocks?
I mean, just the important ones that I can see on like the 4 hour or something, or even on higher time frame, and then go on to lower time frame. But for like day trading, I guess you can just also use local order blocks.
You can use every time frame or order blocks. There needs just to be for a rise like a green candle, there should be like a red candle before that, a small one. And then
Yeah, I think it's
yeah.
more, I guess my question was more about like, which ones do we use because of the respect given? Like the lower, obviously the lower you go on the time frame, the less respected it is. And the higher you go, the more respected it is. So it's like,
Start with using the 4 hours time frame just to identify the important ones. And from there I go to 1 hour, then I select a one that's just before a rise.
yeah.
And then if I just want to define it more, I go like to the 50 minutes and then to the 5 minutes just to pinpoint where do I want to enter from that order block.
Yeah.
High to the lower time frame just to refine it where to enter.
Yeah.
We actually hit the order block just now. I mean a long.
Yeah, we just hit that 4-hour order block right there.
Yeah.
And it's also like a 1 hour. If I caught this trade live on YouTube, man, you better believe I'm changing my name from the Lose Money King to the Live Trading God. Let's see here.
Money. Okay now.
Let's see. Oh yeah, I see Eldon. You post up a lot of your stuff. Why did I not put you as a trader? Even though there's really no difference, but I upgraded you to trader.
Yeah. I actually want to ask you, hey, how can I become a trader?
Oh yeah, the traders, like the charters, are just the people who post up and they look like they kind of know what they're talking about, or they just keep posting up their charts and you can just tell that they're interested in charting. And then trader are the people that actually post up their wins and losses and stuff like that, or they're actually in here trading. But there's eventually down the line, it's going to be something where it's like there's going to be like at least initially 3 separate levels where there's the watchers, who are the people that just come in, just I don't know what they're doing here. Then there's people that are charters, who it's like they're posting up a lot of their charts, but there's no like proof of them actually trading. And then the traders are going to be people who chart and actually post up their wins and their losses. It doesn't matter how big it is. Like even that guy bleeding, he's posting up to his ideas and that he's winning and losing like a couple of dollars. He's trading, so that's it.
Yeah, it does not matter if you lose or win actually.
Yeah, it doesn't
It's
matter
only
if you lose or win,
trade. Yeah.
as long as you're just trading.
Eventually you'll be a good trader.
Yeah, of course, yeah. So that's what, and then eventually down the line, there's going to be like different tiered groups and different, it's kind of like how Daniel did his, where it's like spectators, contenders, champions, except it's going to be more geared towards people actually showing their skill or showing their willingness or showing their drive in order to move up to the next level, versus just like you pay money to move up to the next level. But right now, it's not really implemented because, well, I've actually got to get good if I want to implement that stuff. So,
Good idea actually.
And then so we have this 4-hour and 30-minute point of controls. Let's see. Let's start marking those out. Naked point of controls. Let's see here. Wow, we hit that to the dollar? What the fuck? We hit that to the dollar? That's crazy. All right.
We have also a daily level there. I'll hit at the dollar.
Yeah,
You'll check it.
exactly. What is somebody
There's
called
a
that? I
lot
forget.
of
Somebody
people.
posted that in here. Oh, in the questions, this person, whoever this Arnold person is, posted it in there.
Yeah.
Let's see. So we're gonna start adding in some of these 4 hours. All right, I gotta go to the 4-hour. Go here. So we have this coming in at 43417. Keep going up, man. Why is this thing taking so long? There's like, this price action is terrible. There's another one here at 43542. There's another one down here. So those are the naked point of controls to the downside. Is there no Lu longs or limit orders absorbing? This is what this looks like. I'd say there are longs opening, but overall there's not really that many people interested in longing right now. But the good news is that on the lower term time frames, it does look like we are actually starting to print some type of actually decent market structure to possibly say that we could be going to the upside, because this whole entire time on the downtrend that we've had, you don't see any like healthy higher highs and higher lows, except over here when we started to come back up. This was a little bit healthy, right? So you have this market structure looking like this right here, where you have this low, have this high, low, high, low, high. Then you came back down. So here we are at a more crucial level, and you have this low, you have this high, you have this low, and then if we make this higher high, that is actually looking like it could be bullish market structure, because I think this is probably like the 618 or something. If we pull a fib like this, do this, yeah. So you have you come down directly to your golden zone after. So there's like a couple things here. So you use this trend line as support on the 5 minute. You have your 3 drives pattern. You have your double divergences with this low, and this low. You are starting to make like bullish market structure. You're holding yourself up on this. You're actually starting to have longs opening at the lows. You have CVD weakness at these lows. All we have to do is just get above this damn daily point of control, and then, you know, things might start turning around a little bit, because just looking at the market structure, it looks a little bit more bullish. And on top of that, we hit that daily level to the dollar. So it's like that's why I was saying I needed to get in this trade, because like there's just so many reasons that this could be the low. And so yeah. And so in case someone wants to clean up, who is this person? The best way to make money on cryptocurrency is participate in pumps. More information in the group. Come in, you won't regret it. Look at this, guys. So according to this elite SVK duck looking mother whatever, they said big pump signal, big profits. Join their Discord. This is clearly not a scam at all. There's no way in hell that's possible that it's a scam. Oh wow, there we go. The scammers are here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm sorry to tell you guys, but the scammers have just arrived. You can see when you have this Me6 bot and it's just like going crazy like this, that means that they're just spamming the Discord with scammers. So, but anyways, I think that you guys are all smart enough in this group to not fall for that shit. That's why I don't even talk about it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm sorry. If you fall for that, then you deserve it. I have to say it.
Definitely.
Like, if you fall for something that stupid, or like the Elon Musk videos or the Vitalik Buterin videos on YouTube, and you send people your crypto, like, you don't belong in this group. I'm sorry, not sorry. Oh, man. So those are the 4-hour naked point of controls to the downside. Let's look at to the upside. We have these. What about the 30-minute? Let's see if there's any difference on the 30-minute chart. So let's work our way from 10 up to whatever it is. I don't know what we'll go to. There's one down here. I don't know how much that would matter. I guess it could matter for like a swing failure pattern. Let's see. If we came down, took out all the lows. Let's see, 30-minute. What color should this be? Orange. I really wish I could play this music. I don't think orange is gonna do it. Yellow, green, light blue, maybe? Yeah, we could just do these as light blue. Hey, we're going up. Let's go. Let's
Or
go.
at least like to a nice area.
I gotta figure out where my... Wow, that was a big buy that just came in. $42990. Whoops. 42990. Oh fuck, we're coming back down. That was short-lived. That happiness was short-lived. I really want to see us do two things. We need to, well, this just two things. We need to break above this 5-minute resistance on the RSI and also this 3-minute resistance on the RSI. We have to do that, or else all we're gonna do is do this, do this, do this, and then come back down, and then do this and do. That's what happens when you're in a downtrend. The you start like getting rejected by the midpoint of the RSI. That happens a lot. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So now we have all of these. Let's do the 4-hour point of controls up here. Did I even do them? I don't think I did any 4 hours down here. Yeah. Let's finish it up at the bottom. So we've got to do the rest of these 4-hour point of controls. Let's see how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like. Yeah, so let's just go do that. Let's do that really quickly. These 4 and then that one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have this one right here. $37,900. This one is here. This one's 39320. The next one is this. What? It's this one right here. This one is I think this is it for the naked point of controls. Damn, that's a thick amount of point of controls down here. We're gonna look at the point of controls to the upside. So put that back down on 10. Let's see. This is... Dude, this going through this routine makes me realize just how annoying it is. Like, if I don't actually update my shit, I have to go through all of this. I'm just like, oh my god. So boring. This is 4, 5, 4, 5. Let's see. Yeah, that's really it. Those are the levels that we got. Oh my god, we finally made it. Look at how far we are in the morning routine. So we have this daily routine. We just made it all the way down to here. That's it. Jesus Christ. I've been live for how long? Like 5,000 hours? How the hell are there still 26 people watching me live? This doesn't make any sense. This guy, Rashid, says, I want to buy now. Rashid says, I want to buy now. I want to buy now. Tell me what to buy, please. Yeah. If you guys are somehow watching on YouTube still, come to the Discord if you have any questions and post them in the question section. Who is this? Oh my god, look at all these fucking bots, man. Holy shit, that's a lot of bots. Well, you guys expect DMs from bots. What else is there?
At least the bot algorithm catched you.
Yeah. Give me views, please, bot algorithm, please. How long have I been live? I think I need to stop. I'm running out of energy. How long has it been? 2 hours almost. God, Jesus. It took me 2 hours to go through this whole thing. Hi. So after you're done, you have to find the highest confluence areas. Oh yeah, the reason why it took me 2 hours to do this is because more than half the time I was live trading this area down here. Okay, so that's not too bad. Oh yeah, we have to do we have to make a new section right here. I'll probably go from higher to lower, like daily. 5 minute. This will be RSI trend lines. Plan all possible setups in advance. All right, so we have to do setups. Well, I mean, this was the setup. We already gave the next setup to the downside, the idea. I would say that this would be the next setup idea. Well, if we're gonna do it level to level, I'd say 45,000 would be level number 1. 46,000 would be level number 2 to look at. From these swing failures. Let's see here. So for anybody that's just joining us over on YouTube, again, we do this every day. Well, I don't do it I'm gonna probably start trying to do it every day. But join the Discord. We have people live in here, the trade and chill section all the time. The Discord is down below. And if you have any questions, you post them in here because I get a notification. I literally don't have the YouTube thing up because I pay attention to the numbers too much and I start crying when I see that they're low. So I have to stop looking at them. So just do all that and subscribe and like and all that other stuff that YouTubers are always asking for people to do. I would say that this area, so we have to do this right here, right? So we have to theorize. Plan all trade setups in advance. So the bullish, find the highest confluence zone for swing trade, day trade scalps. Okay. So I would say that this would be like a day trade setup because you come up, take the highs, take the last highs before you get to this area up here. So that's the 618 support resistance flip area. So I'd say like, and it's a 45K psychological. So I'd say up here. So does that mean oh God, on this trade, on this long, like if I'm looking at this, where is my first take profit? I think it depends on what happens with this. Max, do you move your stop loss to the low or do you move it to break even now?
I mean, partially I have moved it to break even, but not the whole thing yet. I'd rather want to get stopped out. We
But
do
your
that
stop
all
loss
the
is
time
actually at the
over and
low.
over.
Your stop loss
Yeah.
is at the low?
Yeah, we do that over and over and over again. Like before we really take off with my trades, I get stopped out with the break-even stop loss.
Yeah.
I mean, if I would have done it too early, I would have got taken out already, I guess.
I think it depends on how you see it. Do you see it as a swing trade, day trade, or a scalp trade?
That's the
For me,
problem.
this one, yeah.
I mean, I
already took my
see it
profit.
has more potential than we have now, but yeah.
I already took profit, so I put it on stop loss. And if it goes lower, I will get in again.
Probably better, yeah.
Yeah, it depends. If you are on your PC, yeah, then you can monitor it, right?
Mm.
Yeah, if you guys are watching on YouTube, join us on the Discord, join us in the Trade and Chill, and you can ask whatever questions you want, and then ask your questions here. Oh God, I feel like I'm just gonna have to hold my first take profit to the VWAP right here. I think I'm gonna have to do that. If I don't take profit, then whatever.
Somebody is asking, can I short BTC now?
Where are they
Now that
asking
it
that?
dumped in the live chat.
Oh, yeah, I can't look at that stuff. I'm too emotional about my YouTube views.
Time to short was at the highs, I would
Yeah,
say.
I put my first take profit right here. I just realized that for my competition that I have with my friend, that I haven't. I think we're supposed to take like 6 scalps a day. I think I've taken none, and so I might be fucking myself over. Let's see. Yeah, also too, for anybody that's watching or any of this other stuff, when you first join the Discord, you're going to be put in this watcher section here. In order to get out of that, you just have to post your charts like this person Chris did. They said they just posted their charts to show that they know what they're talking about, if they're actually trying. They said, post it so I can get access to traders and charters. So, and traders and charters is where like mainly most of the good charts and stuff like that, and the people that are serious about trading, as in they know. And if you guys don't know how to trade our chart, then you guys can go down below the video and learn from the free playlist that I put together. Or you can sign up to Bybit and I'll send you my course for free because I'm just that amazing and nice. What else is there? So this is the area that I'd be looking for a short opportunity. Wow. Well, so here are some good signs. So this is the first time we've been this high on the 30-second RSI since like 5 hours. So that's a good sign. We're pretty high on the 1 minute. We broke this little trend line right here. We finally broke this little trend line right here. So we've got to get above the 60, I would say. And that would be pretty good. What else is there? Holy Jesus, I don't know how Crypto Rover does this. If you guys ever watch Crypto's Rover streams, that guy would be streaming for like 3 hours straight with the energy as if he just first started the stream. I'm like, how the fuck do you do that? Where would the entries be laddered in? Where's the stop loss be? Where am I wrong? How big my position be? Where's my stop loss? I gotta get down on the 1 minute and actually see what's going on with these highs and lows. Let's get rid of this VWAP stuff. Let's do some investigation on these highs right here. See what we're looking at. I can't believe it's only 10:30. Yeah, if we break this high, then I think it's moon time. We're going to 100K.
Wait, which high?
100K. Because of MM Crypto, show me a new high, I show you a buy. Show me. Holy shit. Show me a new high, show me. Oh, we did show him a new high on Coinbase. I hope he bought it. I hope he bought it.
Probably, yeah.
I'm just talking shit though. I love MM Crypto.
I mean, just look at the volume profile. I mean, many of those people bought the top.
Let's actually check. I want to check Bybit.
I guess our overall pump point of control is at the top pretty much.
Damn, that is a huge, well, not huge, but all right, that gives us enough information for the time being. Wow. We got some gaps. We got a top right here. Got a little bit of a top there. We got a top right here. We got a gap right here. We got a little bit of gap here. Okay. I think we got a gap here too. Wait, what the hell is this? Let's see. Man, yeah. After running through this routine, I'm like, I definitely have to do this on a more daily basis because this is taking way too long. Holy Jesus. That's good enough for now. I need to go outside. Let's see here. All right. And so if we pull the fib, we were pulling a fib like this, right? Is that what we were doing? Yeah. All right. So we've got these gaps right here. When do you guys start every day? Crypto Dawn 15. For the people that are watching live, I don't have the live stream up, so you just have to join the Discord, which is down below, and ask your questions like Crypto Dawn did, and you can join us in a trading show. I think I might get back to doing this on a daily basis. It'll probably be like 6:30 Pacific Standard Time or UTC -7. But we're basically in here trading and chilling every single day, almost like 24 hours a day. So you could join us with that. And if you want to trade along with us and make crazy profits, if you want to take some of these amazing trades, like where are the amazing trades at? Here, 535% on my collateral. Then you could join the Bybit link down below, guys. Yeah, I think for now. Okay, we took the high again, so things are looking sexy. I think I need to stop because I'm dying. But I would say that I think this is when I actually need to make a YouTube video now. All right, so I'm gonna make a
And you don't. You should also look at the 0.5.
I don't ever look at
At
the
least for
0.5.
take
I don't ever
profits.
really see any reactions, but I want to look for the higher, like this morning routine says the highest confluence zones
True.
written by the
But I
god
mean,
himself.
you're speaking for take profit or for a short.
First take profit.
I mean, I mean the
I'm trying to
382 is nice. The 0.5 is also. I mean, if we are weak, the 0.5 is like an area, or even the 382.
Yeah, but I'm trying to practice holding. Like this is a hold trade.
Mhm.
If this was like a scalp, then yeah, I would probably my first if I got in here and this was like just more of a scalp idea and I wanted to take profit quick, then I would take it right here. Just like the one, I shorted all the way up here and I took profit here and I took profit here and I took profit here. Like I want to practice getting into trades like up here and my first take profits down here.
Mm,
I'm not risking that much with it, and I'll move my stop loss into break even, like fast. But I need to practice doing that because I'm so caught up in scalp trading and day trading that I don't allow things to develop on the bigger term time frame stuff. Because again, imagine if Daniel had that set up way down here. And let's see here. So it's like, imagine if you took the trade right here and you're like, my first take profit is going to be right up here. That's 24%. And then you're like, my second take profit is going to be above these highs. That's 44% from the low. Jesus. Or even for the trade that I had down here, like first take profit would be above these highs. You'd be rich. So yeah, just practicing that. But to summarize, I completely agree with you. But that's not the idea here for me.
mm.
Probably a bad idea though, to be honest with you. But yeah, first take profit would be above these highs, second would be above these highs, third would be above these highs. Let's see. So I need to post some charts so I can get into the channel with the cool kids. Yep. If you're new to the Discord, you're going to be put in the watcher section and you just post up your charts like this person Chris did here, where you have your fib levels, you have your daily levels. You actually look like you've studied some technical analysis. And then I'll move you up to the traders and charters section, where that's where the people that are actually serious are at posting their ideas. This is not a pay-to-play program here, boys. It's a show you're serious to play program. That's it. What is the current trend for the week? Ranging, value, area highs, support, who's in control? Man, I don't have... My brain is fried. Does anybody else have any ideas? I'm fucking dead. I have my
Hey,
next
bears
short
are in
idea.
control for now.
Yep. We have bearish market structure. Oh yeah, another reason why I want to play my first take profit up here is because I am in the possible belief that we have finished this harmonic, and if the harmonic is finished, then that means that we should take the upside. So this would be the first take profit. Second take profit would be above these highs. So that's why I'm also doing it like that. But I think I'm going to be in trouble for my competition, because when I get back from the gym, I'm going to have to take like 6 extra shitty scalp trades. Oh man, look at this. Look at this coin market, man.
Consolidation.
Oh Lord, boom. Look at this. I 144 lost 49, 172 lost 59, 286 lost 208, 312 lost 300, lost 300. Boy, oh boy. Holy shit, we went sky high and now we come right back down. Oh god. Oh my god, I haven't taken any scalp trades for today. I am so screwed. Somebody tell me where to take a scalp trade.
I don't know, now short.
Short now? No.
I mean, you probably
I
get
want
wrecked.
a long. Yeah, nobody is shorting right now. I want a long, but I think the thing is that I want to wait for the 30-second RSI to come down a little bit lower. So maybe down here like 44 100. Then I'll get into a long, and then my take profit would be above this high. So I'm gonna set that up right now, because I am gonna be in trouble if I keep waiting any longer. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my limit order. Fuck, man. I'll put my limit order below these lows right here. Because we have divergences on the 30-second and the 1 minute. And so we could get a pullback to here. Where would my... I think I'll do like a 0.2% stop loss of 0.25. 25? Yeah, I could get away with 0.25. Let's do it. It's time to lose some money. Let's go. I'm gonna get stopped out of this short, and then I'm gonna get stopped out of this long, and then I'm gonna get stopped out of my long right here. I guarantee you, that's what's gonna happen.
Usual.
Wait. Wait. Are we gonna come lower than that? Because we have divergences on the 1. There's a lot of people buying. Now, if I go, I'm gonna put $2,000 on this trade. Let's go. $2,000 risk. Who's with me? If you're with me in the chat, say lose money king.
Lose money, king.
Lose money king. I'm here to lose money. I don't know what you guys are here to do. Wait, where did Ocean come from? You've been quiet for like 8 years.
Yep, popping out after 8 years to lose money with you. Lose money king! Woohoo!
Lose money king. Oh man. Man, who the hell? Don't DM me unless it's like important for me. Post all your questions and stuff like that in the chat. A lot of people do that. I need to turn that feature off. People be DMing me their charts, and I'm like, why are you direct messaging me your chart? Just put it in the thing. Please, we need to help the community out.
They are desperate for your recognition. Your approval.
You want recognition from the Lose Money King? Man, I would never DM me. Fuck that. How much is this? Let's see. Lose Money King out here. There we go. We out here trying to lose all types of money. let's see here. KS. Wow, what the hell is this? You have, I think this guy just like wants to get part of the traders and charters, so he just like grabbed a bunch of random ass items on TradingView and just like put them on the chart and was like, listen, look, I know how to chart. This is madness here, my friend. I'm just fucking around and joking around, but I'm not kidding you. Like, this looks like you just grabbed a bunch of different charts, different tools, and just put them all on the chart. That's I don't know what are we supposed to see here?
It looks even cleaner than my chart.
What are we
Is that
supposed to,
right?
like, clean it? You got to clean it up and like make it make sense a little bit there, my friend. Please.
I mean, if I post my
That looks
chart,
crazy.
you would get totally confused. You couldn't even see the price.
Yeah. So anybody who's new, post your charts. Did I place my pitchfork correctly? Whew. Let's see what we can do here with that.
And fuck, who charts on KuCoin?
Yeah. So the way you do pitchforks is like this. So you have a high, you have a low, and you have a high. And then you have your pitchfork setup, right? And it's the same thing here. From the person that I learned how to do pitchforks from, usually they work best if they come back to like a 618 or golden zone or something like that, but they can be pulled kind of any way you would like. I'm about to be filled on this scalp trade. Let's go. So yeah, you'd want to, I think you did it right, where you have this high, low, high, and you have the pitchfork. And this pitchfork called the bottom, basically. If I get front ran, I'm going to be pissed off. Oh, shit. Yeah, so hopefully that explains how to do it. If I get front ran, I'm going to be so pissed off. Oh my god. Did we take the low on the 1 minute? Also, this says Bitcoin charts only, and you're asking questions in the Bitcoin. Man, you're messing up, my friend. I think, you know what I need to do, Max, is that's what I'll do. On the live stream, I have my little intro thing. Let me see if I'll play that. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to Bybit using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. It really looks like it wants to do that. Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill. Who the hell is that? I still don't understand why this guy is... Thanks for the advice. I joined Chart Champions only a month on June, but I didn't go through all the videos. Yeah, can you... I'm going to delete your comments because this is the charts only section, but yeah, post these in the questions or the general chat or the Bitcoin talk or something like that, but yes. Good job. I think that as much as I hate Daniel, Chart Champions is a really good place to go and learn. But if you actually really want to learn without paying for Chart Champions, then you can sign up to my Bybit and I'll send you my course for free where I go over basically everything that the Contender series does, except $0 are paid. And the videos aren't 6,000 hours long. So, waiting for this trade set up right here. The lows on the BTC chart are a little bit... it's about to be hit right now. I think I have to move my limit. I'm trying to trade on the USDT pair, and I'm looking at the Bitcoin USD pair, and we're about to take the low. But on the USDT chart, we're not. Anyways, looking for something like this. We'll see what happens. How long have I been live for? Oh yeah, I was supposed to make a Bitcoin video now. Based off of the ideas and stuff. Alright, yeah, let's do that. Alright, let's make a Bitcoin video. Sum up everything that we've done so far. Hey, Max, is that guy Zeph that's at the bottom of the list of the people that are on the trade and chill? Is that the guy that got kicked out for some reason?
Yeah.
Yeah, I go through and on the server settings, and I'm starting to do this where I'll go to members, and then I'll go to prune, and then who hasn't been active who hasn't not been seen in the last 7 days, I just kick everybody out, whoever those are. But so maybe
I mean,
he
maybe
was part
you
of those
shouldn't do
people,
that.
but that doesn't make sense.
That's harsh.
If he's always here, well, I mean, nobody, like, to be honest with you, I only want...
I mean, sometimes maybe in the future I will make holidays also. Probably not, but
You will do what?
holidays.
Well, the thing is that if you get kicked out and you're like, hey, what the hell happened? And you actually really want to be in the group, you'll more than likely, like, either message me or rejoin and then message me and be like, hey, man, I accidentally got kicked out or something like that. But anyways, I'm in this trade. I got to record this. So in the trade now, I'll try to narrate this for the people too. Taking it as a possible long for the swing failure pattern because we have these. Oh my god, the 30-second is really, really, really low. It's possible that we come down even more. I wonder if we're gonna come down to the 618. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. I've got a 0.25% stop loss. I don't know if that's actually gonna be good or not, but I ain't got no choice, man. This is my first. This is a real scalp here for the competition, so we'll see how it goes. But this is basically the entry like this. Let's see. If we pull this. Oh man, that would suck if we come all the way down and get stopped out at the 618 and then we come right back up. That'd be interesting. But yeah, that's where we're at. Where my first take profit should be where, Max? above the highs.
Yeah, I mean, maybe you could target the high that we didn't took out from earlier, but I guess you can just target the local one. I mean, depending on how bullish you are at the moment, I guess.
I mean, if we can get above this high, then I'll actually start to get bullish. But this market structure actually looks pretty clean. The amount of longs that are opening up at the low look pretty clean. The divergences look pretty clean. There's a lot of reasons. Oh, we have some questions. So again, if somehow some people are watching on YouTube, join the Discord down below. Ask your questions here. This person right here decided that he was inspired by Max and decided to post up this very, very sexy chart that makes a lot of sense.
I like it.
We got the 618 here, the Bib Speed Fan 618 here. I forget what these are. I think these are pivots right here. You have your 6.6, the GAN, not the CC level, the GAN level. You have old weekly. You have some, looks like German right here, some German written here. Printer closed, long, open, short. Yes, I would say that this is very deserved of somebody who can be bumped up to charter. So we will do this. And we'll bump him up to charter. There you go. Arnold, you're now a charter based on this lovely Max inspired chart. Let's see. So this is my trade setup.
And you should
idea
use
here.
the shitty fibs as well, because we bounced from the 382. I mean, in a bull trend,
Can you
like
post
the
your
382,
idea that as far as like the 382 that you're seeing?
I mean, just locally pull a fib and activate, or the same fib that you had, but activate the 382.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah,
But
maybe
also,
I'll just,
if you look at like the daily or something, you see like in bullish or in bearish trends that the 382 is a pretty nice area to look
Yeah,
for a
no,
long or
yeah.
short.
I completely agree. I never really pull fibs on higher term time frames like that, and every time I tried in the past to deal with like 382s and 236s and all sorts of stuff, I'd always get my ass handed to me. But for the most part, like, one of the things that I'm noticing about my trading recently is that I'm trading more off of market structure than I am really like fibs and all this other stuff. I'm trading off of market structure and divergences and volume, because
Mm,
just looking at
makes more sense,
this
yeah.
price action, it's like you have this low, you have these inefficiencies, you have a support right here. Like, this is an area that we'd want to start looking for longs, and then you get down here, it's the same thing. Or when you take these highs right here, you're looking for pullbacks. You would take this high, you're looking for pullbacks and swing failures, especially if you're going to the side, if you're going sideways. So it's like, it's mainly just based off of market structure. So
I guess your long
Yeah.
hit your take profit already.
not yet. I'm on the USDT pair.
Oh, so you need a few more minutes.
Yeah, we're pretty high up on the 30-second RSI, so I hope that we continue to go up and take it. I think my first take profit is equivalent to like this level, I guess, on the USDT chart. And I don't know where it would be going after that. Maybe we get like into a scalp short right here. Maybe I'll just completely close out.
I mean,
I have to
look
take a
at
bunch
the
of trades.
highs. At the highs, I mean, shorting is pretty dangerous after like the downtrend that we have, and we don't really have that big of gaps in the highs up to 44,800-ish. And even then, we could just squeeze like maybe up to 45K or something like that.
Yeah. I have to close out of this scalp completely right here because, like I said, I'm in that competition. So,
You need to close it at a 1 to 2 or what?
No, but I just
You'd rather want
the
to win.
problem is that I have to take 6 trades, and this is my
Okay.
first one today. and I only have like 5 more hours left in, or 6 more hours left in a day, and then right now I have to go out and like go to the gym and take care of some stuff. So I just want to take this. Oh wait, this is the USD. I'm on the USDT pair, so I can get into a long and a short at the same time. So yeah, fuck that. I'll close out half. I will close out half this instead. But the problem is that it's not going up.
Oh, it's still very hard to break the previous weak point of control.
Come on. We're at the previous weak point of control. What? I'm not seeing it.
We are grinding against that for hours.
What? I'm not seeing a previous weak point of control. My previous weak point of control is way higher. What are your settings? What are you looking at?
What the fuck? I mean, I'm on the trend reversal chart, but let's see if it's
Yeah.
on another
Oh, I see.
also.
Oh, I see. Yeah, previous weak point of control. I think you probably have yours set to 1 tick.
Oh, yeah, 1 tick.
Yeah. Okay. So I have mine set at 20 tick on one chart and then 1 tick on another chart. So yeah. Okay. 1 tick, 1 tick, 1 tick, 1 tick. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, the 1 tick previous weak point of control is 44,300. Yeah. I was gonna look at this. Let's see the weekly. What? What? What's going on here?
You're on the monthly.
Oh, okay. I was looking at this like, what? So this is 200.
But still the monthly volume profile, the volume at the top.
Yeah, this is right here. So if we just... Oh, wow. So the more up you go, yeah. Let's see the 20 tick. Yeah, that's why this is what mine is looking like on the 20 tick is the value area high. So we kind of bounced off the value area high, got supported there, and then came back up. But if you're on the 1 tick, see, this is why it's important to like slip. But Daniel said the higher the time frame that you're using, the bigger the tick size that you'd want to use. Because I think Daniel, when he does the weekly, he does like 100 tick. Wow, look at this. Do you see this shit? You had this week's point of control. Then you came over here, hit this week. The point of control is the same. Then you hit this week, and the point. Oh, that reason is because it's a 40,000 psychological. Okay, that makes sense. But that's kind of crazy that you have
from there.
this, and this, and then you were basically held down from the 40K for these 2 weeks, and the value area high is 40 for its 40K right here, basically. And then here you had a bunch of high volume nodes around 40K. So 40K is a huge, enormous number. That's crazy.
32 seems also pretty strong.
Yeah, 32. I think that's the range point of control if you do the hourly. Let's see. And just do the range. Let's see. Yeah. 32, 33, 32 is the range point of control. Yeah. Let's see. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to Bybit using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. Let's see. Lose money king. Just put 10,000 in Bitcoin. Let's go. All right. That guy's crazy. How low do you think the prices could get in upcoming days? Oh, yeah. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the fucking YouTube video and then go outside. I got to fly to Croatia and walk max.
Please.
Please. I'm dying. Please. All right. So I'm just going to start the video right now. And if anybody has any ideas or anything like that, you can feel free to, you're going to be in the video if you say anything and post up your ideas. But I'm about to just go right now. Here we go. What up, YouTube? We're back. We're actually live streaming this right now. We've been live for how long? Almost 2.5 hours. So, yeah, anyways, what we did during those 2.5 hours is we went over, I did all of my TA live, okay? I did all of the TA live, and then now we're about to just do like a quick little video going over exactly what we came to the conclusion of. So, we'll start on that, and basically we're just going to be going over like what I'm seeing in the upcoming days, because if you want that Moon Boy 4-hour daily stuff, go watch another YouTuber. I'm just going to be talking about like what's going to happen in the next couple of days possibly. And so, yeah. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to Bybit using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. All right, so what are we seeing currently right now? Well, if we just talk about the past couple of days here, well, first things first, let's look at this. What I was looking at for the group here is I was telling the group that we were looking at some possible ideas here. Where are my ideas? Where are my ideas? Here they are. So calling this yesterday, looking for something around here, like the 44K ish level. And so what ended up happening? Well, we ended up coming here, 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 and now we're here. Not only do we have that, but we do have the golden zone coming in if you pull from the absolute low right there. And you also have a complete and total filling of all of the inefficiencies that are right here with this candle to the upside. So there's a lot of reasons right here in order to possibly get ourselves into a long position, which I am in a scalp long right now, and I'm in a long that I'm looking to... Wait, fuck, I'm in 3 longs. All right, well, I guess I'm in 3 longs. Okay, I just found that out. Thank you very much, Self, for pointing that out. So on one account, I'm going to take profit at these highs right here. once we take it. I'm actually about to take profit right now on the scalp trade idea. Then on my second account, I'm looking to take profit up above these highs right around 45K. And the reason for that is because of this. We pull our fib from swing high to swing low. You have your 618, and then you also have your 45K psychological. You also have your support and resistance flip right here as well. And you also have some highs to take here, some highs to take here, some highs to take here. Your next level of highs is all the way up here. And on top of that, you would have your daily VWAP coming in around that area. So there's a lot of reasons to be looking at that level. It depends. If we can get there anytime soon, then I'll look for scalp ideas up there. If we get there later in the day, then I'll probably be asleep and I won't be able to get there. But that's where my take profit is set up for that. Then the next level to the upside that we would be looking at would be if we pull the fib from all the way to the high down to the low. We would be looking at this area about 46K because you come up and take these highs, and that would be the area right there that we'd be looking at for possible take profit 2 or a possible area to be looking for shorts. And if we pass that up, then it would just be like, just think of it like this. Highs for swing failure pattern, a high for swing failure pattern, high for swing failure pattern, high for swing failure pattern, right? We have no choice but to look at it level to level like that. And then if we continue to go up, again, we've already talked about that. You got basically a 50K, 56K areas that we'd be looking at for longs. But as far as the daily term, daily levels go, these are the two that we'd be looking at for the day. Because again, we just do this on a daily basis, and we also live on a daily basis. So yeah, those are the levels. The 3 levels that we're looking at for the day would be 45K, 45,800, and then 46,300. Somebody is making some noise. Oh, that's Brandon. Brandon, I'm doing a video right now, so just to let you know. And to the downside, well, we were doing some technical analysis, and before I forgot to go over like what the price action has been like for these past couple of days. So the price action for the past couple of days has been pretty easy. You come to the highs here, you basically have no buyers at the top. You have your divergences kick in, and then you start to come down. So I'm in a short from right up here, but the risk on that is basically gamete or ovum size. So that's that. And then this high right here, you come up and swing failure that high, you come back down. And then this is where you start to get more of the confluent side of things. So you have this 618, whether you pull the fib from here to here or here to here. You have your golden zone, you have your VWAP, and you have your swing failure pattern of the high right here. So then you start to break yourself down from there. Then another opportunity to get into a short is this. You come down, you do the same thing. 618 into the weekly VWAP, and I just took profit on my scalp short. So let me go ahead and move my stop loss into profit right there. There you go. All right. So yeah, you had your VWAP, you had your 618, and you had your swing failure pattern into your divergences. You can see your divergences there. And you also had this 5-minute trend line showing up right there. And then we started to come back down. Now we have hit our RSI on the 15-minute. So if we start to break up above the 15-minute RSI and the 30-minute RSI, then we've already done that. So if we get this close, if we get this candle close above, then that means it is, you know, we're going up. So how did we get these highs right here? Well, the way that was traded was you come down, you swing failure pattern these lows while also putting in your divergences. You can see here, you had a low, higher low on the RSI, lower low on the the price action, and then you shoot up into your 618, into your daily VWAP, and then you start to come back down. And then what happens here? You have some lows coming in right about here, and then your next area for lows is right about here. Boom, you come down, take that swing failure, those lows, and then you start to pop back up, and then again, you hit the 618 into the VWAP. And then as you're starting to come down here, what we were talking about on the live stream, which is what I was talking about, which is you have your 3 drives pattern showing up here. You have your drive 1, drive 2, drive 3 into your and then your move to the upside into your 5-minute RSI trend line, as well as double divergences, which is why I was thinking I really actually want to put some decent size on this trade, because this could actually be the low. There's a lot of reasons. On top of that, you were coming down right below, right close to this low right here, which is what Bitcoin likes to do a lot of the times. And so it likes to fake us out like it's going to take the low, and it doesn't. So all of that talk to be said, that was an area that we were looking at for the low. So now that brings up the next question: where are we looking at for lows? Well, we have a 4-hour order block that we hit right here to the dollar. So, and we also had a daily level that we hit to the dollar, which somebody pointed out in the Discord. Let's see here. I think it was
Weekly.
Yeah, Arnold. Arnold was watching. We had the weekly open, the daily open. He was calling 438,200 before it even happened, plus the order block. So yeah, he basically called that ahead of time. So congratulations to you, Arnold, for that. And yeah, that weekly open, like Max was saying. What else is there, man? I am exhausted. I've been talking for like 3 hours straight. So yeah, to the downside, what did we come up with? We had these naked point of controls down here. We have this whole little section right here that we're looking at between 43,600 to $43,000 could be areas that we're just looking for long opportunities. So we could see the price action come up, get some type of rejection somewhere in here. I don't know where, but if we do start to come back down, then we could be looking all in this area, like the 43,000 to 43,600 to 43,000 region for a possible long opportunity. So that way Bitcoin fakes it out and we don't actually take the low. So that's these are basically the levels that we're looking at for the day. So this level right here, which also has a naked point of control, 45K. For the rest of the day for 24 hours. And then down here is where we'd be looking for longs in the next 24 hours, okay? And like I said, I just took profit on my scalp long. And I think the video is long enough now. Yeah, no Moonboy talk, just straight trading. Like I said, in a short with zygote size money right here, in a long with some, I'd say decent size long right here. I should have put like my $1,000 risk that I'm supposed to take. I should have put that down here, but I was too scared. What else is there? I think that's it. Max or anybody else in the trade and chill section, do you guys have anything to say or any posts or anything?
Nothing really. I mean, I posted the levels where I'm looking at.
Oh yeah, so Max posted the levels that he's looking at for the downside. Do you have any updated levels for the upside? Yeah, so Max is basically looking for swing players like crazy.
I wait for a little bit more price action for shorts.
So yeah, I posted up these ideas here. Darren's mind was basically calling the low on that. Oh yeah, we do have this channel here. Anyways, I feel like I'm just kind of rambling. There's no point in me talking, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. Most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%.
Hours.
Go down below, join us over on Bybit. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on Bybit already, take that crypto, put it onto your new Bybit account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher. Okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts. Let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter. You can see here, and that gets you access to this trader and charter section where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting.